Hi, welcome. In this video, we're going to look at how to set up a spoken open response page. A great way to get your students talking in their target language and giving them immediate feedback to help them grow their skills. Now, what is a spoken open response page? It's a page where you present students with a prompt or a question, and then they record a response to it. They'll receive feedback immediately. And at the same time, the system's going to do the grading for you based on your criteria. So to get started setting this up, we can create our prompt here. Now there's three ways that you can present a prompt to students. I have a Spanish activity here, and as you can see, we have a prompt in the student's native language. We could also present the prompt in their target language, and we can enable text-to-speech here so students could listen to this prompt. And finally, you can set up an audio prompt that students will listen to and then submit a response. The next step is to curate the student's experience for recording their response and getting feedback. Here we can determine, are they going to record a response or write a response? How much time do they have to record this response? Will they be able to retry? And we can also curate the types of targeted feedback they'll receive after they submit a response. So there's three options here, and each of them provides detailed feedback of a different type. Of course, students will always receive immediate feedback based on the grading and evaluation methods that you've set up. In Speakable, you have three ways that you can go about having a response graded. The pass, fail, and rubric auto-grading methods use AI to evaluate students' responses based on criteria that you've set up. The manual grading method simply takes the response, puts it in your gradebook, and gives you a place where you can evaluate those students' responses. With pass, fail, you'll set up criteria that will be used by the system to determine if students will receive a point or be asked to try again. Here we can type in the criteria ourselves, or we can use this handy system here to generate the criteria for us based on the prompt that we've entered here. If we're using the rubric auto-grading method, we'll select this, and then we can determine which rubric we want to use here. Now you have some templates here when you're getting started, like you see. We can also create our own rubrics. We could start from scratch, or we could ask AI to generate one for us. And finally, the most common method is to simply upload a PDF of a rubric that you already have and have the AI generate that rubric for you. So now we've set up a prompt, curated the student's experience when they're submitting their responses, and determined how the responses will be evaluated. We're ready to go ahead and preview this activity and publish and assign it.